Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to join the Solo Hunters Discord server on your mobile phone. So if you've been trying to join and weren't sure how, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Discord app on your phone. Now look on the left side of the screen and tap the plus icon. That's the button used to add or join servers. Now go to the bottom and choose Join a Server. You'll see a box asking for an invite link. Here you need to type Solo Hunters. Make sure you spell it exactly like that and keep it all one word with no spaces. If you're not sure about the spelling, copy it exactly as shown. After that, tap Join with Invite link. From here, simply press Accept Invite. Discord will automatically add you into the official Roblox Solo Hunters game server. And that's it. You're now part of the Solo Hunters community on your mobile. You can start chatting, joining events, and having fun with other Roblox players. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox and Discord tips and tutorials.